subscribe to Technical and Programming AK and then click on bell icon for another updates. Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show you aside tag and hyperlink tag and its attributes in aside. So first of all, open your WebStorm application, then create new HTML file here. Give name for your HTML file aside tag. Click on OK button. Then write code in body text. So first of all, use the aside tag here. Aside, then use ul. Ul means unordered list, type of list tag. Ul, then use a list li. Use here anchor tag. href is equal to hyperlink.html home. Okay, Control S. Then copy the li tag here. Copy this line. Then enter, paste here, enter, paste here, enter, paste here. Okay, now change names here. Gallery, about, contact. Okay, then run this file. See here, anchor tag is displayed here. Ordered list, unordered list is displayed here. So remove these dots here. Remove these dots. So okay, then ul type is a none. Okay, none. Then rerun it. Then see here, dots is removed. Then write code in style tag. Use the style tag in head tag. Style for aside tag. Then background color, change the background color. Background color is a black. Position is a fixed. Position fixed. Position fixed. Height is 100%. Height is 100%. Width is 200 pixels. Width is 200 pixels. Padding 0 pixels. Okay. Then run again. See here, aside is successfully created. Change the font size. See here, change the font size. Use aside. Use aside here. Aside ul li a is anchor tag. So font size 25 pixel. Then use color white. Color white. So you see here, refresh this page. See here, color is white. Then remove this underline. Then use text decoration none. Text decoration none. See here, refresh. The underline is removed. Then use the padding here. Use the padding here. Padding 20 pixels. Then refresh this page. Remove this padding, refresh this page. Okay, then use here font family, Comic Sans, MS Sans Serif. Okay, see here font, and then use the padding margin here, margin 20 pixel. See here, use this padding here, padding 20 pixel, then refresh this page. Okay, then use the H hover here, aside ul li a colon H over color is equals to red, color red, font size is equals to 35 pixel. Okay, 35 pixel. Those the font size is 35 pixel. See here, see yours is set for this hyperlinks. So then use the one class here, aside. So see here, aside class is equal to aside animated. Sorry. So first use the link here, link tag here, link relationship is a style sheet, href is equal to animated.css, then use its attributes here. See here, its attributes here. Then use the animated flip, then save all code, and then refresh this page. See here, refresh, and then use the infinite control yes, and then refresh this HTML page. See here, the animate.css is working for this HTML5. Run this file. See here. So I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming, okay? And then click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.